What we're going to do this session is move on to messing with validators, I think, teaching them how to make validators through having them fix a broken validator. For those of you who haven't seen the Validator.js before, so Validator.js checks the fields that a user enters to pass an objective. And so you get this helper object, and the helper object has various properties and also helper methods for us, as it suggests in the name. So for example, we can get the input from a particular answer. So when they give us an answer to the question, we can grab that answer. And then the two really important methods is helper.fail and helper.success. And these allow you to tell the user they failed the objective, or they allow you to pass the objective. And in both cases, you can give a message. So, you failed, here's what to do next time. So what this objective is currently doing is getting the user's answer to the first validation field. It's checking if there is an answer. If they haven't provided an answer at all, then it asks them to answer the question. If there is an answer, it checks whether the answer is what we expect, whether that string is validator.js. If it doesn't equal that, it fails and tells them to try again. We're just copying an objective each time. We'll copy the editing objectives one. I guess I just have to, editing objectives copy, and then we'll rename that, and we'll call it editing validators. Perfect. Editing validators. So let's add a little description. So what are we going to have them do? We're going to have them open the validator.js file for this objective in a text editor. Fix the validator so that the player is able to pass. So then we'll write a little description. So validate TwilioQuest checks if players have completed an objective through a validator.js file. This small script evaluates the player's submission to the objective fields, and determines success or failure. In this case, the validator is missing a call to success or failure. If the player gives the wrong answer, you can call helper.fail or helper.success if they give the correct answer. In this case, the validator is missing a call to helper.success. So the player can never pass the objective. Add in the logic for helper.success so that the player can progress with the objective. So, cool. We'll put that in there for now. So I'm going to clear out the rest of this. We'll do the same for the walkthrough. And then we'll make sure those things are linked up in tiled. So this was called editing validators. And then we'll quickly go back and add a field. We'll just add a text field. So validator. So we're not going to need path here. We do want to get this, reduce this to one field. We'll leave that as is. And then the validator, we only need one of these now. We don't need second answer. We've removed the second answer. We don't need that. And then it just falls through to helper.success. So maybe I want to restructure. I mean, this is fine. Like, it's going to try and check the equality and then fail if it catches. So like, I could just remove the entire success block. I guess we're adding a comment. And then just strip out the block. And there we go. It's very easy to write an extension when what you're actually just doing is breaking an existing extension. Cool. So that is that objective.